Alright, so today we're going to be talking about eBay, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Back in Blood by Pooh Shiesty and Lil Durk. Really great song. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first I want to start out this video by saying this video is not sponsored by eBay. And the reason I say that is because a lot of the videos I have seen about eBay are sponsored. So I just want to point out that this video is not sponsored at all. Alright, so if you clicked on this video, you obviously are aware that eBay started authenticating sneakers. eBay has been selling sneakers for literally like years at this point. So obviously you are aware that they have sold them, but they have never authenticated them like StockX or Go. So if you've never shopped on eBay, you may not be 100% sure. So I'm gonna just walk you through everything really fast. First things first, you have to click on the search bar all the way at the top and look up the shoe that you want. In this case, I picked the toe paste Jordan 4s because I really wanted this shoe. Next, you find the listing that has the authentication guaranteed under it. You'll see it right there on the screen. After that, this is very, very important. Make sure you actually check the seller. Make sure he actually has a lot of positive feedback. So for example, I believe the seller I had like a 98.6% positive feedback, which is very great. There's been times where I haven't gotten good quality items from a seller that doesn't have a lot of positive feedback, which is kind of common sense since his feedback is pretty bad. So yeah, make sure you check his positive feedback and make sure you read the item description. There's the item description I had for this Jordan 4. As you can see in the description, he has his Instagram, he has that the shoe is brand new, which it is, and it also has that it's an OG all condition. And spoiler alert, that's exactly how I received the shoe. So after that, I'll show you guys the entire process of me ordering it. I placed my order and then later that day, he actually shipped out the order to eBay. Basically, this works just like StockX and Go. The seller will ship the shoe to eBay in this case, and then once they authenticate it and make sure everything's good, they will send it to you. It only took like 2 days to get to eBay, which is fantastic. That's way faster than StockX and Go. They made sure everything was 100% authentic and it came in the same description that they stated. And then after that, they sent it over to me, and then it only took a couple days to get over to me. In total, the whole process took, I believe, 6 days, which if you've bought from StockX or Go recently, you can tell that that is way faster. StockX and Go usually take around a week and a half to 2 weeks. So yeah, I ended up getting the shoe, and you actually do get a couple things to make sure that the shoe is 100% authentic. Firstly, you have a little card that states that it's authentic. So there's the back, and then there's the front. If you want to pause the video to read it, go ahead. Next, the shoe also comes with a little tag right there. So how that tag works, I'm gonna just pretend this stapler is my phone. You put your phone up to it, you go like that basically, and then the little link will pop up at the top. After that, you click the link and it should bring you to that page right there I have on the screen. It basically states that the shoe is 100% authentic and that they checked it themselves. So yeah, after I got the sneaker, I actually went in and checked to make sure that the shoe was 100% real, just to double check. That's something that I suggest you always do. Doesn't matter where you buy it from, just to be 100% sure. I checked through the shoe and everything looked 100% legit. I even checked it with a real pair that my friend has, and everything looks spot on. So yeah, this shoe is 100% legit and eBay didn't fail me, which is great. So yeah, that's basically the entire process of shopping with eBay, and hopefully everything goes smooth with you as it did with me. Also, please keep in mind that this guy shipped it very, very fast, so it's possible that shipping will take longer for you. Alright, so lastly, let me just say why I actually decided to buy this shoe from eBay instead of StockX or Go. To be 100% honest with you, it was the price. On StockX and Go, this shoe was actually going for around $30 to $40 more. That was only because the sellers were asking for a little bit more on StockX and Go, and obviously they have their fees as well. So I decided to be smart about my purchases and end up saving an extra $30 to $40 by shopping with eBay. Again, this is not sponsored. And as you can tell, the process actually went very, very well. While we're talking about StockX and eBay, I actually ordered a pair of Dunks from Go. At the same time, I ordered these and they actually got lost in the mail somewhere. So there's that too. I'll probably have a whole separate video on that. Oh yeah, and also I will have a review on these coming soon. So if you want to see that, it should be up in a few days. So yeah, I'm not going to go out and say that eBay is the best place to shop for sneakers because obviously there is a lot of great places, but it is definitely a really good option. So yeah, instead of buying that shoe from StockX, Go, or even Flight Club, just check eBay. Maybe the prices could be a little bit lower. It's just another option that you have out there. So yeah, in conclusion, eBay is 100% legit. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching.